Hello everyone, welcome to WOC. So in this HTML CSS JavaScript project, we will be making a website of tours and travel, that is TripOnTap. So this is a website that allows you to opt many destinations and packages for your travel purpose. Now here you are able to see homepage and 6 different icons, that is destination, packages, about, plan your trip, your trip. So one by one we'll be exploring that too. So I am in the home page. The basic things of the company, or we could say TripOnTap, is described, and even the trending travelers or the tours are also listed over here. Now they are also describing why we should travel with them. That is, of course, their honest pricing, the responsible travel, the safety purposes, and even the itineraries are so good. And they have also listed the reviews of the travelers that have been traveling with them so far. So these are the reviews and this is the home page. So before going further, I want to clear you with the idea that on two fundamentals we will be working on this tours and travel website, that is the package one and the destination one. So all of you know what is package. A package is a list of itineraries that we have to follow, and there are fixed number of days, the cost is fixed, and the destinations, the stays, hotels, etc. is fixed, and the fixed schedule has we have to follow. Now in the destinations we can customize, modify our trips, we can choose a destination, and we can also choose where we have to stay, where we have to go according to our budget. So these are the two options that a travel company offers in real life scenario as well. So now coming back to this homepage, you are able to see two different buttons, view packages and explore destinations. So clicking on view packages will redirect you to this package. Okay. And again in home, clicking on explore destinations will take us to this destinations. Now here you are able to see 6 different destinations that the TripOnTap company offers to a user. So let's say a user is interested in Goa, so he will be clicking it on Goa, and the entire Goa page will be loaded. So what does this tell? The go well, like, where is Goa, what is Goa, everything about Goa, the overview, the best time to visit, that is of course November to February, the top places to visit, the different temples and churches to visit, and like what is the cafes, how are the cafes, the restaurant, the light, how is the nightlife, everything, some of the travel tips, everything has been shown over here about Goa. So if a user is searching for a destination that is more familiar to beaches, nightlife, etc., so he would be hovering with this. So now here you are able to see two different hyperlinks, home and destinations. So clicking back on destinations will be taken back to this. Now there are again Manali, Kerala, Dubai, certain things, and you are able to see a search bar over here. So writing K, it will give you Kasol and Kerala, and again KE, that is Kerala. So clicking on Kerala, you will be able to see the same page of Kerala. Okay, coming back to destinations. So now let's say if a user is interested in Goa and he wants to plan a trip. So he will be going to plan your trip button over here. So now a form is loaded. So what does this form tells us? That we have to fill the form and an itinerary will be given to the user in 24 hours. So let us try to fill this. Let's say Aryan, email address is Aryan Gmail. Preferred is he wants to go to Goa on, let's say, 2nd of January. Number of travelers are 4. His age is 21. Phone number is, let's say, this. Full address is 55 North High Street. Now, if anything specific he wants, let's say I want to stay near North Goa. So let us submit this request. So no, the error is coming. There is an alert that we have to include an email. We have not written a proper email format. So writing this will, okay, so now that is submitted, and it says that you will be given a call that is within a 24 hours, that the company's policy is, and the trip saved successfully. So you all will be wondering where the trips, where the data is stored. So in your trips, you will be able to see a trip one that you have entered right now, that is a Goa trip. So now the form type is, as I mentioned earlier, whether it's a customized trip or you are going with a package, and the entire details, name, email, travel date, age, etc., that we have mentioned in the form earlier has been stored over here. And even you can see saved on a timestamp is also stored in this page. Now talking about packages, so here you can see 5 packages, that is Kedarnath, Ooty, Madhya Pradesh. So clicking on each of them will be giving you an itinerary for the same and a booking portal. So let us say we have to book for Kedarnath. So we'll be entering the name again, Aryan, age 21, home address that is 55 North High Street, mobile number again, let's do this, email address, Aryan@gmail. Number of travelers 3. So he wants chain food should be available. And the dates, so make sure that the dates that is displayed over here, that is 10th, 20th, and 15th, are the same that we have listed over here. So you can see there are the available dates, the cost, and the total seats. So now travel date we choose as 20th, and we try to confirm the booking, but no, the error comes is mobile number must be exactly of 9 digits. So yes, so this is not of 9 digits. So writing back of 9 digits. Okay, so now booking is confirmed and saved. So again it's saved. So it will be saved in this your trips page. So here you can see that is trip 2, that is we have done with a package booking, and everything that we mentioned, Aryan, Kedarnath, 20th date, 3 travelers, 21, etc. Same has been stored in this and is reflected, and even the timestamp is reflected. So all the trips that you are logging in and you are registering for has been saved and are reflected over here in your trips option. So now you can also see a delete trip button. So clicking on delete trip, so let's say delete, we have to delete trip 1, that is plan your trip. So we will be deleting it. So okay, so the trip 2 will become trip 1, the package booking trip. So the data that we have stored for the plan your trip form type has been deleted and removed. So this is the functionality. Now talking about page. So this is a small about page that is reflecting the year of foundation, where exactly the company is based, the trips completed, the rating of the customer, and their reviews. So this is it. And for the bonus point, I want to add, like, when you can also add certain search types, like if the user loves beaches or mountains, so you can search for beaches and the destinations of beaches should arrive. And even in the package you could add a certain sorting bars, like let's say the cost should be less than 15,000, or you should say that if like 40 people are going, then the total number of sheets should be greater than 40. So some sorting you can apply over here and then get the list. And also for the UI part, so rather than the standard UI shown in the video, there will be bonus point for Halloween themed UI. As you know, our WOC this is themed as Halloween plus winter. And for the backend part, uh, we would also recommend you to name the functions or the loops or the features with some horror identification or indentations, so that that will again reflect you with some bonus points. So yes, that was it. Thank you so much.